Hi there, students. Cromulent. Okay, an adjective. And cromulently, I guess the adverb. Okay, this is an adjective meaning adequate, enough, acceptable, correct. Yeah, it's what you would expect. Okay, so cromulent. So the meal that they gave us was cromulent. Yeah, they dealt with our request cromulently, adequately, not absolutely fantastically, but certainly good enough, well enough. Yeah. This is I guess a humorous adjective. Now, with this word, I need to talk about the origin. This word was first actually coined or used in The Simpsons. In an episode from 1996, Lisa the Iconoclast. Okay, so Lisa Simpson, I think, was the first one to actually use this. So if something is cromulent, it's acceptable. This is very clearly a new word. Yeah, it's probably not cromulent for all dictionaries, and it may well not yet be in the Oxford English Dictionary. But I hope this video is more than cromulent. Yeah, I hope it's excellent. Cromulent's okay. It's enough. It's good enough. It's adequate. It fits the bill. Okay, so maybe the best is the enemy of cromulent. Okay, so cromulent, a good word for you to add to your vocabularies. I have a feeling if you use this word, people are going to ask you about it. I think natives generally won't know this word, but it's a great word. I think it's probably an informal word. I'd give it, I think, probably a 4 informality. Use it in an informal conversation. You're going to have to use it as a joke, yeah, and then you're going to have to explain it and to explain its origin as well. Okay, so it comes from The Simpsons. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Cromulent. I hope the video was more than cromulent.